And welcome back, everybody. Today is the day where I'm going to show you that I bought 25 tokens more and I'm adding to my crypto portfolio. So welcome everybody. This is Cryptophil. And don't forget that everything what I'm saying here is only my personal opinion. What's mean? Not giving you any financial advice. Don't put more money you can afford to lose. And also, guys, this video is for education and experimental purposes only. So this is some experiment what I'm doing in my life, in the crypto crazy life. So okay, so check this out. So what I did few days ago, I did start a crypto portfolio only for YouTube. So I'm only putting $25 each. Okay, I'm trying to buy over 100 tokens and I'm trying to do DCA. Okay, so I'm not trying to buy like just go all in. I'm trying to do DCA. So if you see the market today, we had a nice small dump. So from 24,000 Bitcoin, it was almost 24,000, and now it's 21,700. I was waiting all day long if the price is going to go down or not, but now I can see they settle around 21,500, 700 bucks. Okay, I'm talking about the Bitcoin because that's the big grandpa. Now, the point of this thing, what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to DCA and I'm trying to buy tokens where they are at least 80%, 85, and even 90% off the price from all-time high. So I'm starting to buy from here and I'm going down. If the market going to go down, I'm going to buy even more tokens. So let me show you today. I did everything for you. I did all portfolio. The link will be from this portfolio will be in the description. In every single token, we're going to click, where you're going to see the portfolio, you will see the hash, the transaction hash, or the order number from any exchange I've been bought. So everything is transparent. So everything what I'm doing is like here is live. And you can see here I have my tokens, my ledger. It's where I'm keeping also a lot of tokens. I'm trying to buy a lot on ledger here on Pancake Swap because it's much easier for me to track. This is only for the crypto YouTube, so you can see Phantom, Sand, Mana, Near, VChain, Link, XRP, Solana, Ethereum, S Fund, that's a good one, Realm, GQ, and so on and so on. You can see Realm, I bought $25 3 days ago, and today it's already worth $60. Okay, so it did already crazy X. So if you go here to my portfolio, you will see this is my portfolio at the moment costs $700. Okay, I'm minus on today price minus $3, and overall I'm plus profit $40. But that's only because I just bought today. So you can see Real right there did already 138%. That's crazy now. Okay, so if you go back to the SEC, we have the latest news for the last 24 hours. What they say is they're trying to kick everybody out, and actually they're trying to make some money from all the exchanges, what is very, very bad, to be honest. So they took some money from KuCoin. KuCoin paid them $30 million. That's sick, and that is crazy. Okay, so it's so this is what I'm looking. Okay, let's go and see, or let's zoom out. Okay, from the crypto market. Okay, and then we can talk about the tokens, because today, well, also what I'm doing is I'm in a lot of passive platforms. The video for the passive platforms will be followed tomorrow. I'm in at the moment into the PGV, when I'm still waiting for my refund, hopefully to get it in the next few days, and then I'm going to get in again. Farm of Fortune would be an absolutely amazing. We have MOF. This is also an absolutely amazing, and so on and so on. I mean, also like Piston, Furio, Arc, and a few other platforms, and I'm trying to get into a couple of different bots to get some revenue, passive income, so I can buy some tokens. So why I'm buying now tokens? If you see the general, okay, if you see the general Bitcoins, okay, Bitcoin, let's go Ethereum, any, let's go XRP is very famous, Cardano, let's go to Cardano. Okay, so if you see Cardano from all-time high, there we go, it's at the moment 88% down. Okay, 88% down. So I'm trying to buy tokens from now. I don't want to the here this red percentage to be 50% or 60%. I want to be at least 80%, 85, 90, even 95% in some of the cases. Okay, so my tokens, what I'm buying, they're all kind of crazy tokens, from low risk to high risk to very high risk to mod risk. So what is high risk and low risk? So for me, the last risk is the first 50 tokens. So that's the last risk tokens. So the first 50 tokens right here, if you go to CoinGecko, let's go to CoinMarketCap because everybody know CoinMarketCap. The first 50 tokens, okay, without the stable tokens, okay, that I will put that as a low risk. Of course, this is crypto and things can go south very easy. So to right here, I will put that as a low risk tokens, okay, a little bit lower risk. So if you go the first 20, 30 tokens, it's much low risk. Between the 50 and 100 tokens, I put that mid risk. Over 100 tokens to 200 tokens, it's a high risk, and everything after 200 tokens on the list right here is extremely high risk. However, if you buy some tokens, which today, let's see what I bought. Let's go to example for this one. I bought some Realm. Okay, let's see what number is this. So Realm, let's see. So Realm, it's 916. Okay, the market cap is only $11 million. If the market cap only hit $100 million, that's 10x from this price. You can see the price dump 18%, but the price in the last 30 days is hit, in the last 7 days is hit already double the money, and this token is already 90.99% down. That is crazy. This is I paid around 1.5 cents, and you can see the all-time high is $2.16. Okay, so we're talking about 100x already. No, sorry, 20x to hit these. Let me see, 10 cents, $1, $2. Yeah, so 20 something x just to hit that price. Again, you must take into consideration the circulation supply and how much new tokens they coming into the game every single year. Let's see what tokens I got today and why I did go. Well, the Bitcoin price hit again from 24 till around 21,700 at the moment when I'm doing this video, and it was a lot of 1 year we've been in the bear market, 1 year and something, and then the last 4 or 5 weeks we get mini rally, small bull market, okay, and the hype start coming in, and I miss a lot of tokens. I did bought some tokens the last 3 4 weeks. However, I need to buy a little bit more. I need to DCA into a lot of tokens. Now we have a little bit dip, and I want to use this dip. If the price go down more, I'm going to buy again more. I'm going to do again DCA into a few tokens. I'm not going to buy every day, or maybe I'll buy every day. It depends what tokens I'm looking. I have my list of over 100 tokens, and I'm just seeing every day or every couple of days how is the price going. If I see some going to have a nice dip, I'm just going to buy some tokens. Okay, I'm buying overall $25. Okay, why I'm buying $25? If it's extremely risky, I'm going to buy only $15. I choose to buy $25 because I believe most of the people out there can afford around $25. Of course, I'm buying over 100 tokens, so that's a lot of money for me, a couple of $1,000s. So I'm not going to buy today all, but I'm going to buy in the next few weeks or maybe a month. If the market crack on and have a bull run in the next week, 2 weeks, probably I don't buy a lot of tokens. Now remember, if you miss the trade, don't worry, you miss the trade, and it is what it is. So what I bought today, you can see here, this will be in the link in the description for every one of you to see this portfolio. Again, I bought some Aptos because the price went up to, I believe, $20, and we have pullback to 13 because I never got any Aptos. I got some Phantom, I have LDO, Hex, of course, Gala, Mana, Send, VeChain, Shiba, Near Protocol, Link, Solana, Osmosis, Ethereum, CDFI S Fund. That's a good one. We have Polkadot, XRP, Cortex, Moonbeam. I have some Elon. There's some meme coins, Ocean, Moonriver, Illivium, Illivium, ILV, Superverse, and Vulcan Forge. You can see the Vulcan Forge and Super. I bought them 3 days ago, and they are already down. One of them is 13% and one of them is 9%. I'm not going to put any stop losses because it's only $25 in, and if I put stop losses, if they sell, my point is keep this portfolio for the next 6 months, 12 months till 18 months, and let's see how and what is going to happen. Is this portfolio going to make me wealthy, or is going to stay the same after 1.5 years, or is going to crash to zero? I believe we're going to find out together, me and you. Again, remember, the tokens go up and the tokens go down. The crypto is extremely risky. Okay, only put risk capital. Don't put more money you can afford to lose. But when there is red on the market, it's mean buy for me. When it's a green, it's mean don't buy. It's mean sell. Okay, let's see one tokens what I've been keeping my eye, and it's called TAP. TAP did extremely well. Explode. Let's see. Explode like what? 1,000. Oh, okay, so it's down now. So 1,500% in the last 1 year. Okay, but it's still 96.6% down. Okay, so this can be very, very interesting. Meta V Pad. There's so much to talk, guys. I don't want to keep this video too long. It's already 11 minutes. Meta VPAT is already, this bad boy can blow away, okay, because of the AI path. Remember, if you can and put some attention for AI path, if you can go into the pre-sale, I think that can do its potential a lot of access. So AI path, make sure if you can go and find that, how to get in, go and get in, go into the white pre-sale, white list. You must have some different tokens, Game Zone on Meta VPAT or BSC PAT stake to be able to get into this one. So make sure go and get in, because this is the new hot token who is going to be launched in the next, I believe, several weeks. We still don't have any information, but this is the talk of the next couple of weeks. Okay, AI path, find your way to get in. Again, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any question, or if you want me to check any of your tokens, or if you think any tokens I need to consider to add to my portfolio. Again, love you all, guys. Watch some of my other video. Till the next one, goodbye.